Ever sent a gift that arrived late, got lost in the mail, or simply missed the mark? Frustrating, right? Imagine a world where gifts are instant, personalized, and always on time. Well, that world is here, and it's called eCards on FavePay. Let's say it's your best friend's birthday. The classic dilemma: do you risk a last-minute, generic store-bought card, or do you stress over finding the perfect gift? Neither option is ideal. Wouldn't it be amazing if you could send a heartfelt message, coupled with a tangible gift, instantly? With FavePay eCards, you can. But how does it actually work? That's what we're here to break down. Think of an eCard as a digital greeting card, supercharged. It's not just a pretty picture and a message, it's a gateway to a world of possibilities. You can attach gift vouchers, concert tickets, or even cash directly to your card. First things first, you'll need a FavePay account. If you don't have one, it's super easy to set up. Once you're in, navigate to the eCard section. You'll be greeted by a colorful array of designs. From funny to heartfelt, there's something for every occasion. Choosing the perfect design is half the fun. Once you've picked your card, it's time to personalize it. Add a warm message, a funny anecdote, or whatever comes to mind. Remember, this is your chance to shine. Now, here comes the exciting part: attaching your gift. FavePay offers a wide range of options. Want to treat your friend to a shopping spree? Attach a gift voucher to their favorite store. Planning a surprise concert outing? Send them tickets directly through the eCard. Or, if you prefer to keep it simple, you can send them cash. Once you've customized your eCard to perfection, it's time to send it off. You can either send it directly to the recipient's email or share it on social media. When they open the card, they'll be greeted with your personalized message and the option to redeem their gift. It's that simple. But wait, there's more. FavePay also offers a tracking feature, so you can see when your eCard has been opened and the gift redeemed. No more guessing if your gift arrived or wondering if it was appreciated. So, the next time you're stumped on what to get someone, remember FavePay eCards. It's the perfect blend of thoughtful and convenient. You'll save time, money, and effort while making your loved ones feel extra special. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.